a quick tip when it comes to doing cut-ins. Just get your brush up here, get it loaded, pulled up, and allow the tip of the brush. I'm just allowing just the tip to draw my line. I don't want the whole brush, just the tip. Drag it out, get your line, get it up. You can see how I spin my brush till eventually I just get the tip up there and it's drawing the line. I kind of like to describe it as drawing a line because I'm just using just the tip itself. So you got to have a good brush for cut-ins. I'm using a Premier Brook to do these cut-ins right here. Drag it up, get just the tip. The tip draws good. These are DuPont filaments on this brush, the Brook brush, Timex Oreo blend. Excellent for doing cut-ins. All right, so we got this bay window right here. The whole inside of this bay window is going to be white. The previous painters didn't get enough white on it. It needs another coat. But I'm going to show you how I'm going to get my line on this bay window and be laser sharp on this edge. So I'm going to just run my frog tape along this corner right here. If you didn't get it completely straight, looks like it waves off the corner just a little bit. I want to have this thing as straight as I can get it. I'm going to take some clear tower caulking. I'm going to put just a tiny bit. I'm going to wipe it all off. While the caulking is still wet, I'm going to roll that portion of the wall. Before it dries, just gonna pull the frog tape off. Now I've got a perfectly straight line on that corner.